Hello kids! Welcome to Crick Safari Adventure. It's Miss Kiki. Are you ready to go on a safari adventure with me? Before we begin, I want you to guess what animal we will learn about today. Wiggle your ear if you're ready for the first clue. Oh my! That was loud! Do you know what animal made that sound? This animal is known as the King of the Jungle. They even have their own Disney movie. Can you guess what it is? Yes! It's a lion! In today's camp, we will learn more about lions. There are so many activities lined up for you, and I cannot wait to get started. Before we watch a video about the King of the Jungle, let's sing a song together. Are you ready? Click on the next video and sing along!